Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the QI Triple Wireless Charger Station. QE 3 devices multi-wireless charger pad desktop charging. It is a station for Apple iPhone XS, Max, XR, XS, X88 Plus, etc. And of course, Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, S7, S7 Edge, and S6, S5, all over the QI standard smartphones like Note 8 and 5, Nexus 5, 6, 7, and all other QI enable devices. Woo! It will charge. It is able to charge 3 of your smartphones at once because it has 3 areas where are you going to charge your phone without wire. This is awesome. That wireless charging pad supports 3 QI enabled phones to be charged simultaneously. It does not charge through the metal or cases thicker than 4 millimeters. But the most cases out there are thinner than 4 millimeters. Yeah, we will try this. It is compatible with all QI certified wireless charging enabled devices made by Samsung, Google, Motorola and Nokia, plus those that have a QI certification in wireless charging case or adapter in it. It supports wireless charging on QI enabled devices, all of them. The device can be charged immediately as long as you put the corresponding QI device on the corresponding position of the wireless charger. These are 3 of it. On top of this charging pad you can see 3 round circles, and these are the QI standard spots where you able to put your phone on it, and then it will start loading immediately. If you docked the wireless charging power station with an AC adapter, of course, but the AC adapter is in the box. It is easy to use. You do not need to change the connectors frequently. You do not need to connect your smartphone with an AC adapter. This is better for your plug and host on each smartphone because, for example, the Samsung Galaxy devices, so many times in my past, the docks were damaged after a couple of years, 1 until 2 years, the docks are damaged. But this is the solution for it. To take care of your dogs, not the dogs, not the animal dogs, the dogs, the hubs, the plug areas on the bottom side of your smartphone. It is better to connect to a QI standard platform like this. You will get a wireless charger station, a micro USB cable, an AC adapter, and a user's guide, of course. And it's easy, really easy. Are you tired of slow, inefficient charging with too many wires that get tangled with each other? If you are, they have a solution for you. JE is proud to present the wireless smart phone charger. The ultimate charging stand pad has been released. Choose the high-power charging station that has the juice to charge up to 3 devices. It's a multi-cell phone charge that will keep your phone safe and secure. And this is right. Featuring cutting-edge technology, it keeps your device completely safe from overcurrent. Oh yeah. Compatibility with all QI supported devices. Take care of the have a look for your QI standard phone, because not every phone will support this. We have what is this? Huawei Honor smartphone. This is not supporting QI standard, but it's a modern smartphone. So you have to look before, or you can upgrade your not supported phone with an. It is like an and thing. You have to disassemble your phone, then you have to put a plate under the battery, and this will get connected to the QI standard. Here you can see the adapter is docked in, and this is a Samsung Galaxy, I think S6 or S5. I do not know this right. And you can see now it's charging. On the right side here we can see a Samsung Galaxy S10, no problem. And here an iPhone, no problem too. All three devices are now loading at the same time. Wow, I think. And it is a leather wireless charging stat. This is, it feels good, a good haptic. I like it. The dimensions are 0.24 inches thick, 4.72 inches to 10.63 inches. And it has a non-slip matte. And it's easy to use, as you can see. You have to put your phone above the spots and it will start loading immediately. I like QE docking stations, loading stations, and this is godlike. I like it really much and I will use it all the time because it's so easy to use. Only put your phone on top and start charging. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.